In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable JavaScript on the Brave browser. JavaScript is an important part of modern websites because it helps pages load interactive content, videos, animations, forms, and many other features that improve your browsing experience. If JavaScript is disabled, some websites may not function properly, so knowing how to turn it on in Brave can be very helpful. To begin, open the Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser is fully open, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the menu icon. This icon is sometimes referred to as the hamburger menu because of the three horizontal lines. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu with several browser options and settings. From the menu, select Settings to open the Brave Settings page. This is where you can manage privacy options, customize browser behavior, and control different website permissions. After entering the Settings section, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar where all the categories are listed. Now look for the Privacy and Security section and click on it. This area contains important controls related to browsing safety, permissions, and website access. Once you are inside the Privacy and Security settings, scroll down slightly until you find the option called Site and Shields settings. Open that section to continue. Inside the Site and Shields settings page, you will see different permissions and controls for websites, including camera access, notifications, pop-ups, and JavaScript settings. Find the JavaScript option and click on it. From here, you can easily enable or disable JavaScript depending on your preference. If you want websites to function normally and display interactive content correctly, make sure JavaScript is enabled. On the other hand, some users may choose to disable it for privacy or security reasons on certain websites. The choice is completely up to you and depends on how you prefer to browse the internet. After adjusting the setting, the changes are usually applied immediately, so you can return to your browsing without needing to restart the browser. If a web page was already open, refreshing the page may help apply the new setting properly. And that's all you need to do to enable JavaScript on the Brave browser. The process is simple, quick, and easy to follow once you know where the setting is located. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.